When I'm not having a relaxing day at the beach, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on!
Well, good morning. We spent the night outside this speed coal right here. Got here about 11:30 last night. So all my cameras. So this is the speed coal in Knoxville. We're getting an oil change and a federal DOT on truck and trailer. Just like that, we are going in the bay. Come on. Can't see that guy. They put the glasses on. Left, he says. Follow the law. Right, he says. Beautiful. Teamwork in action. Just like that. We're going to change the oil, and then we're going to fire it. Then we're going to change the primary fuel filter, then we're going to fire it. Then we're going to change the water separator, and then we'll fire it. Because this thing will not restart once you drain the oil and the fuel filter.
Yeah.
I've done this 17 times. Trust me.
We can do it the way you want.
So I think we're going to try something different.
Yeah.
I think it might be an oil pressure sensor issue.
Yeah.
It won't restart. You got to force feed it, and then you get a check engine light on your fuel rail.
Yeah.
It's not good. So let's try something different. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We don't need to check any tire pressures.
Okay.
At all.
Hey Thomas, on this one, we're gonna change the oil without the fuel filter, and then start it up, then change the inside, then start it, and then change the fuel water separator, and start it up. What kind
Unless they want to bet me $20 they can refire it without, we'll do it their way. $20.
I want to try your way.
You sure you don't want to bet the $20?
Nah.
I like
Not
it,
on
man.
a man that drives a truck every day.
You the man. I like that. Nobody else will listen to me. They're like, nope. You know?
No. I'll do it whatever way you want, man.
Because they're all different, you know?
Because you know why? I'm not the one putting out $100,000+ for this thing.
Exactly.
So I'm going to listen to the guy who is.
You the man. I appreciate that.
How you paying today, brother?
Debit card, sir.
All right. And anything on the trailer?
Yeah, we're going to grease the trailer.
Grease the trailer?
And we'll do the fifth wheel as well. You guys, can you guys squeeze in a DOT on both?
We can do both. Yeah.
Yeah, so oil change, service the trailer, and DOT on both. And we're going to do all that for $50. What are you laughing? I think that's a deal.
Good try.
Yeah,
that's a good try.
That's a good deal, right?
Yeah.
Negotiation skills at work.
And any Lucas?
No. Just Rotella, 1540. Fleet Guard filters. I'm gonna roll this window down.
And what's your first name?
Tim.
And I'll need the whole bin for the truck and, well, never mind, here it is.
It's right here too. Should be in the system.
There's no system.
They got rid of the system? Wow.
Remember we had our iPads before.
Right.
Just type up anything
And they took all that away from you.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of crazy.
Bought it and turned us into pilgrims.
Yeah. Wow.
You know the whole trailer, Ben? Or have it in there on the register?
I've got it right here on my phone. Somebody taught me a cool secret. You put in your contacts, like VIN.
Yeah.
And so when you go to the dealership or whatever, they ask for VIN numbers or whatever, you've got it all right there at your fingertips.
That's pretty smart.
That is pretty. I'm like, 20 years I've been running without that, so now we got it going on. So that VIN on that trailer is 1GR062XEK2411088. The only thing I need to put in here is my tag numbers.
And your phone number. Tell me you ain't got to look.
Here is a refire after oil change. Shall I reset the trailer brakes? Beautiful.
Hey, boss, since you got sensors on your truck, you care to write down those pressures so we don't have to take off your caps and mess up anything?
Right down what?
Your tire pressure.
Oh, okay.
You got your sensor.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't want to take your caps off
Right.
and mess up anything.
Right.
So just write them down and we'll do that DOT for you.
Okay.
You can shut it off.
Yeah, they're all, the steers are 110, all the drives are 105,
Okay.
and trailers 95.
Okay.
Anyway, so these guys, man, they are listening to me. This is the Speedco in Knoxville. And they're killing it, dude. Killing it. Anyway, so we're just doing the oil, and then she fired right up. Now we're going to do the fuel filter and get that fired up. We'll see how it goes. I'll turn you all back on. All right, so we just changed the primary filter. We'll let her prime. Good deal. Hard to see it, isn't it? Wow, so we're going to prime it 3 times. This guy here's good, man. Love it. Servicing a 2018 3.9 Pete the right way, come on. You say do it again? Yeah. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. We're good. That is awesome. All right, now we're going to do the water separate filter. All right, you ready? Yep. All right, first try. Here we go. I think that was a trick right there. Believe it or not, a guy from Australia, I think he's from Australia, told me to do that. Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead and kick on your lights for me.
All of them?
Yep.
This is our federal DOT. We already did the other side. Everything checked out good. But holy smokes, man, we just killed it, dude. We got it. We figured it out. Love it. Gotta have the switch on.
Turn on the wiper blades.
Hey, can you change those for me? I've got them. You want them up or down?
For right now, turn them on so I can see.
Messing up my clean windshield.
And not your big horn, but your little horn one time. Go ahead and disconnect your red and blue line for me.
So I'm gonna pay this guy to, well, I'm not gonna pay him, they're doing it for the job, but changing your windshield wiper blades out. I bought new windshield wiper blades at Costco for like $3.99. Can't figure out how to put them on, man. It's above my pay grade. But they come with all these different fittings. We'll see how he does it. I'm gonna watch and learn. Yeah, you made that look easy. As long as they don't fly off going down the road, we'll be good. I've had that happen before. You turn them on first rainstorm, and there they go. Because yeah, that set came with all these different adapters. I'm like, wow, man. Anyway, the red light's on the air gauges. 50. I got those at Costco for $3.99. Looks like a pretty good wiper blade. We're gonna find out. These right here got 157,000. These are the original blades here. I hate to change them because they're doing good, you know, but I don't think they're supposed to live that long.
Alright, so first thing you do, take off this piece.
Okay.
Alright.
So that's what I didn't do. I didn't take that piece off. See, those are easy there. Oh, you got another piece to put on.
No, same piece I took out.
That was on the factory blade there, that one? Okay. Beautiful. But it'll be hard to get off, won't it? Let's probably go buy some of these blades, that way they snap on there. Huh. Look at that. And that ain't gonna come off. Oh, those are good blades. Wow, nice. Yeah. Thank you. That's about 25 or I don't know if it's 25 or 30. Can I go ahead and fire it up too? Let that air pressure build up. That is not good. I don't know why it's doing that. Why did let it run a little bit? Y'all want to hear this big old beast? Watch this. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Run, run, run. Love that engine. Okay, I tell you what, that was the absolute best oil change I've ever got. I mean, it was just perfect, man. They did everything right. They listened to me, even about the grease zert on the throwout bearing. I asked him to take the inspection plate down and grease it. And I asked him if he done it. He said, yeah, but he said there wasn't one on there. Everything's hooked up. I said, no, sir. There's one on there that's not hooked up. So he pulled the inspection plate back down. I looked at it, and sure enough, I was correct. And I mean, you know, they listened to me, and that was phenomenal, man. They did exactly what I wanted done, and it worked out great. The old girl fired up every time. We had zero issues. I mean, dude, it was just awesome. I love it when they listen to. Anyway, so yeah, it was just a great experience. So now we're going to try to go down here and get our load of hot tubs a day early. If they don't load them today, that's cool. I'm not worried about it. We'll just drive back up here and back to Athens on Friday to pick them up and then go back home. So right now the goal is to get home without rain. And we're not in no hurry today, so if it does start raining, we'll just find a hidey hole and park it, you know. We don't want to get dirty until we leave out with it on Sunday. If it gets dirty on Sunday, it gets dirty on Sunday. But anyway, just want to give you an update on that. I really enjoyed that oil change and my DOT inspection. Everything checked out perfect. So thank you, Speedco of Knoxville. Great job, man. 2 thumbs up. Love that place. I love everything about Knoxville. I love the Blue Beacon there in Knoxville, the Speedco in Knoxville. I mean, just, dude, I mean, I frequent them places a lot, and they always do a really good job taking care of me. So, you guys need an oil change? Go see the Speedco in Knoxville. We're out of here. See ya.
When I'm not bike riding, I'm watching Life is Good.